Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with Tutorial Village here. So today I am going to show you on how to make I love you on the Rubik's Cube. Alright, so all you need to do is just a 3x3 Rubik's Cube at its solve state. Alright, and then if you want the heart to be red, all you have to do is have red facing you. Okay, so you'll want to hold the red facing you, yellow on the top, and then blue on the left, and then green on the right, white at the bottom. Right? So just follow the algorithm. First is up counterclockwise, back clockwise, right counterclockwise, back twice, right clockwise, down counterclockwise, back clockwise, up counterclockwise, right twice, back twice, right clockwise, up twice, right clockwise, down twice, left twice, front twice, left twice, and down counterclockwise. Alright, so as you can see here, you got your eye here, your heart, and then you. So I love you. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care.